YouTubers, all things tech here. Today I'm going to share with you my new bag I just got today from Neiman Marcus, Alexander McQueen. And on top of that, I made an outfit. I put on an outfit just for you guys. Light color t-shirt, Ballman jeans, this white hat, and then this backpack. I think it complements each other pretty well. And if I were to go out, I'll probably put some Gucci's or D&G shoes on, low cut, whatnot, real comfortable, real relaxed, but at the same time still make a fashion statement. In this next segment of the video, I'm gonna do an unboxing, just go over real briefly how I felt about the packaging and whatnot, what to expect when you're getting a new package from Alexander McQueen and whatnot. So share with me what you like, what you don't like about the bag. Comments below. If you haven't subscribed, subscribe. All things tech. Thank you for watching. Without further ado, unboxing time. Hey, what's going on, fellow YouTubers? All things tech here. Today I'm going to do an unboxing on a Alexander McQueen men's backpack I picked up from Neiman Marcus. So without further ado, I'm going to go ahead and start opening this guy up and see what's about. Let's see how big it actually is compared to what the dimensions listed on the website. It's a pretty decent sized box. I was expecting a box maybe half this size for this backpack, but let's see what they do. Alright, so we got this opening up. Need a little bit. Got green packaging. Long packaging. Lots. Here. I'm going to slide this over here. Yeah. Extra shipping protection. Okay, so yeah, so I was expecting a box more so this size. Right here. Looks like a storage unit, like file box for a storage unit. Let's see what's going on with this. So we open that up. Alright, we got a nice protection bag. It's oh, here it goes. Alexander McQueen. Very hard to see, but blended into the actual backpack protector bag. Let's open this up, see what's going on. Okay, it's looks like your standard full-size book bag. Right here. It's like a metallic material, silver. It's not as reflective as it looks online. So overall, back straps first has a little protectors on it. I'm gonna leave those on for now. This guy over here like this. Pop back on. Put this filing box back on. Put this guy right here. Boom. All right, so right here you can see the label Alexander McQueen. I'm gonna open this up, see what's going on with this compartment. Cushion, whatnot. There's not any separators in there, so that's a straight solid one compartment. Let's see what's the main one looking like. We got again with this stuff. So it's an appreciation card from Alexander McQueen, and it just lets you know how to take care of it, what to avoid, how to clean it, whatnot. So that's that. Drop that guy back in there. But yeah, I mean overall, just look at But yeah, Alexander McQueen. This bag was $25 or so, $2,500 retail. Got the discount on it. Not bad, like 60% off or so. But yeah, pretty cool bag. All right, well, leave your comment. What you think about this bag? Share what you like, what you don't like. I know I prefer black, but this one, you know, mix it up a little bit. You go out, fashion statement with a white t-shirt, some light jeans, some designer shoes like low tops like Gucci or D&G, and carry this out. Little fashion statement. Yeah, so leave comments. Let me know what you think about this bag. Overall, I think it's pretty chill. I like my Louis Christopher PM bag. That's my staple. That's my prime bag. But yeah, thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed, subscribe. All Things Tech. Stay tuned for everything and anything. All Things Tech. Thank you. Stay safe until